So, you just launched a new product. Congratulations! You have tons of orders pending, and before you can start fulfilling them, you must produce your packaging. However, since you're a bit short on time, you decide it's okay to skip the pre-production samples. Let's go straight into production, get the goods out ASAP so you can start fulfilling orders ASAP. Sounds like the wise decision to do, right? That's completely wrong. Today's video is going to be all about the importance of a pre-production sample and why you should never skip it when it's your first time going with a new packaging supply. First things first, let's set the context. A pre-production sample is typically a sample a packaging supplier will offer you of a standalone unit that you're able to produce before committing to mass production so you can check the final item between your hands physically. Some suppliers may offer them for free, but typically they will charge you a couple $100s for them, and then it will add around 7 to 15 days to your total production timeline. So many business people decide it's okay to skip it. I'm not going to pay more money and I'm not going to waste more time waiting for a sample, where in reality, skipping it can ultimately cost you more time and more money if you end up getting a product you're unhappy with and you have to reproduce everything. So here are the main reasons why I believe you should never skip that when you're starting a new order of packaging. Reason number one, a physical sample will always reveal more than a PDF file. If you already produced packaging before, you know your supplier will get you to sign off on a proof document, a PDF file, before you begin production. This file will generally contain all the key characteristics of your packaging, such as the thickness, the size, the material, the dimensions, and all of the specs that are relevant to you. Don't get me wrong, a digital proof is useful, but it does not paint the full picture on its own. It cannot prove if the colors you see on your screen while signing the file, which are in RGB, will be the same that are produced with a physical printer in CMYK. It does not prove how the zipper feels, how the material feels. Definitely does not prove if your packaging will be strong enough to hold your item, if the size will be good enough to fit your capacity. So there are a lot of points that are not present when you're signing off on a digital file. The golden sample is where your idea goes from a screen to a reality. And so it's very important to not skip that step when you're first turning your idea into a reality. Reason number two, this golden sample does not only test the packaging item you're trying to create, but it also helps you test the supplier. Stay with me now. Let's say you're starting production, as we said, with a new supplier. That's true that making a sample with them will allow you, on the one hand, to check if your item is correct for mass production, but at the same time, it'll also allow you to do a test production order with the supplier and see how they respond. Are they producing the sample during this 5 to 7 days, following their timelines? Did they flag risks? You can consider the sample making step as a mini test production order with the supplier, because best believe whatever habits and communication tendency they carry on. Reason number three, the custom sample you produce will eventually turn into your gold standard. Let's say you did go with that first supplier, you did make that sample, you did jump into production, everything turned out fine. For a reason or another, you have to switch suppliers now. You have to go to another supplier, or maybe you're sticking to the same supplier, but you're reproducing the batch. I know it takes a lot of time and effort to switch suppliers, first of all. This golden sample will remove a lot of the frictions for that, because once you get that sample, you can keep it, don't throw it away, sign it, date it, and photograph it. Going forward, you will link this sample to the final artwork. If you're switching suppliers, reproducing the batch, you will use this physical sample that you made as the reference point to test whether the new supplier can clearly replicate it or if there are going to be deviances or inconsistencies. This removes a lot of confusion, as well as protects your purchasing team and protects all your business. So these were the main reasons why we believe at FMCG Packaging that you should never skip a pre-production sample with a new packaging supplier. In addition, whenever you're getting ready to place in your next packaging order, remember this: do not choose the supplier with the nicest promise. Choose the supplier who can prove to you before production start that they can nail the exact item you're looking for. That's why at FMCG Packaging, we offer all our first-time clients a free pre-production sample, because we have nothing to hide and we know that you're going to love our quality before we even commit.